Okay, good afternoon, class. So at this point, we're looking at financial maths. We're looking at 3H, correct?
Yes.
So we are told that the car salesman earns a basic salary of 3,000 Rand per month plus 4% per commission on his sales. How much did he earn in October? If he sold 2 vehicles at 244,000 Rand plus 1 at 380,000 Rand. So he totally sold 3 cars. Not so. So we must look at his total sales. Total sales gives us 2 cars at 244,000 Rand plus 380,000 Rand. So his total sales, 2 times 2, 44123 plus 380. Okay. 80,000. 868,000 Rand. So if we look at his income, his salary for October, it is 3%, a 3,000 Rand basic plus 4% of 868,000 Rand. You guys understand? It's going to be 3,000 plus 4% of the previous answer calculated gives him 37,720 Rand. Not so? Any confusion there? You look at the next up. Number 2. Trevor buys CDs at 80 Rand each. You guys know what the CD is?
Yes.
Okay. You have CDs. Yeah.
I used to watch CDs. I used to watch
Not CDs.
CDs, yes.
Oh, CDs. You had not yet a CD. Oh, I thought you say what's not in the CDs.
No, not.
Alright. Now Trevor buys CDs at 80 Rand each and sell them at 110 Rand each. Calculate his percentage profit. There's something wrong with Trevor, because if you go somewhere that I know, you can say buy it for 10 Rand.
Yes.
Yes, you all know about it. Yes. So, percentage profit is going to be the difference of original times 100. So the difference is going to be 110 minus 80, or I could have written 30 Rand. Over, what's the original? 80, and the times it by 100. So it's going to be 30 over 80 times 100. 37,5%. Okay. Sorry? Why do I minus? So I want to find the difference. I want to know what is how much profit is actually made. Calculate his percentage profit. That's why I needed to work that 30 Rand out as a percent. If the question says what was his profit, it would have been 30 Rand. Tumiling, I was looking for you now. Why you never laugh at us? Sorry? You're taking your work serious? Okay. Don't be so serious. Okay. People number 3. Number 3. Stephen buys articles at 150 Rand and makes a profit of 25% when he sells them. Calculate the selling price of the articles. Okay. So, firstly we need to work out the percentage profit. Not so. So percentage profit is going to be, no. Sorry, not the percentage. The percentage profit is given in this case. I need to work out, different by article. You must work out the profit in rands. Not so. So it's going to be 150 rand multiplied by 25 over 100. Then 150 times, yeah, gives us 750. The question is calculate the selling price. So the selling price is going to give you 37.50 plus the cost. Add plus 150 gives me 187.50. Any confusion there? No. Number 4. An entrepreneur. What's an entrepreneur? Yes, person starts a business or has his own business. Okay. Buys 57 iPods. You guys know what the iPod is?
Yes.
Yeah, those small. Yes, but you don't get that anymore, no? No. So the day your children is going to read this, they won't know what it is. Okay. You guys know what the cassette is? Yes, okay. You're old. Oh, old soul. Okay, nice. So an entrepreneur buys 57 iPods at the cost of 580 rand each. Okay, relax. He sells 44 at the cost of, no, he sells 44 at 759 rand each, and the rest at the discounted price of 719 rand each. Calculate the total amount received for all the iPods. So to work out this total here, I must say he sells 44 times 759 rand plus the rest. 44 minus 57 is 30. So it's 13 times 719 rand. So 44 times 759 plus 13 times 719. 42,743 rand. 42,743 rand. Let's look at 4.2. 4.2 says the total profit made on the iPod. Total profit. So how do you work out the profit? Profit is going to be your income minus your expenditure. Not so. Income minus your expense. So remember, what is his income? 42,743. Not all of that is profit. I must first take off what they spend on purchasing the items, which means to say they are 57 iPods at 580 rand each. Or we could have done the expenditure first, or the cost of the iPods first, and then do the calculation. Okay? So it's going to be 42,743 rand minus. You don't have to break it up. I'm breaking it up just in case somebody in future worked it out separately. Okay? You made a mistake here. But it's fairly simple calculations. So it's 33,060 rand. So how do I get the difference? Subtract. So it's going to be 42,743 minus Answer. We have a profit of 9,683. We must go see where this entrepreneur is. Yeah. It's a lot, ne? Now you can see how much money these people is making from us. Yeah. Okay, so 4.3 says the percentage profit on the iPod. So if you're going to work out percentage profit, what do we say? Percentage profit is equal to your difference over original times 100. So what's the difference? 9,683 rand, the original. What did he spend on the item? What did he spend initially? 33,060 rand times 100. So that's going to give us answer over 33,060 times 100. 29,3%. 29,3%. As you can see, they asked you for one decimal place. Okay? Look at number 5. A pair of jeans cost 258 rand, excluding VAT. VAT is calculated at what? 14% in this case. Remember, what is our VAT at the moment? 15%. So in the exam, it will tell you either use 14% or 15%. But if you use any one of the two without us stipulating, we will give you the mark. Unless the question is, what is the VAT? Currently, you must say 15%. Okay. But as I said, because of the change, we will tell you which. We'll just remind you 15%. A pair of jeans cost 258 rand, excluding VAT. How much would you pay for it? How much would you pay if VAT is added? So, value added tax. So you first work out the VAT amount. Not so? How do you work out the VAT amount? It's 258 rand times 14 over 258 times 14 over 100. 258. 36,12 rand. So that's your VAT. So what you're going to pay in total for it? 258 plus 36,12 plus 258 plus 294, okay, you all agree with that? Number 6, I paid 64 rand including VAT for an article. How much of the amount was VAT, and what was the price of the article before VAT was added? So what is the VAT amount? 14%. So what happens is, let the article be X. Okay, if that is the case, what we normally do is, we normally say X times 14 over 100. Not so? Then with that amount, that answer we get from the, what do? We add it to the original amount. Not so? But what is the original amount in this case? The original amount. The original amount of the article. We must let the article be X. So what we do to calculate VAT? We take the original amount of the article and we times it by 14 over 100. Not so? Then we get the tax amount. Not so? The VAT amount. So this in this case is going to be 0,14x. Not so. You all agree with that? For 14 over 100x. Or for 7 over 50. Just take note of actually what we're doing here. If the original amount was x, what did we do? We multiplied it by 14 over 100. Then what did we do then? We took this answer, which is that there, and we added again to the original amount, which is what? Not O, X. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So if I let the original amount of the article be X, then it will simply be, what will it now be? The total cost. Total cost. Yes, X plus 0,14x, which is what? 1,14x. Not so? But what is the total cost for this item? 64 rand. The total cost of the item? 64 rand. So how do I get X on its own? Divided by 1,14. So X is equal to 64 over 1.14 gives us 56 rand and 14 cents. So that is the value without tax. Not so? That's the original price of the. The question says how much of the amount was VAT and how much of the price of the article and what was the price of the article before VAT. So this was the original price. So how do we calculate VAT? We can just subtract the total amount, which is 64 rand minus 56,14. Or you could have worked out 14% of 64 rand. The same, no? Minus 6,14. That gives me 7 rand and 86 cents. Yes.
So I said 64 times 14 divided by 100 and I got 8,96.
64 times 100 divided by 40.
14 divided by 100.
Come. You're going to get the same answer. That's why you're going to get it wrong.
So it's close. This is 55. That's common 0.
Not right.
So if
You see what happens is what you have actually worked out the VAT on 64 rand.
Then minus 64 minus 8,96. And then you take 55,04%.
That's wrong. I'm trying to explain to you why. You see, the original price of the item is unknown. Right? Now say for argument's sake, let's just use let's just use 100 rand. We're going to use 100 rand, we're going to calculate the VAT on this. The original price is 100 rand. So let's calculate the selling price. First the VAT, it's going to be 100 times 14 over 100, which is 14 rand. Not so. Then the selling price is going to be 100 plus 14, which is 114 rand. You all agree with that? Now let's see if I use your logic and work in reverse. What happens? So you're going to say 114 rand times 14 over 100. Remember, the original price is 100 rand. So I must get 100 rand again for it to be correct. Not so. So put that in the calculator. Sorry? 15,96 rand. So what's the original price according to you guys? Original. It's going to be 114 then minus 15,96. Are we getting 100 then? 98,04. So is that correct?
No.
No. But let's check if my incorrect. Sorry? Close. Okay. Now you see mathematics. I call close. It's not about being close. Yeah, but yes. It's like, you know that guy that you were always liking, that Prince Charming? And I asked, did he ask you out? Yeah, close. Doesn't count. Karam, ne? On Holy Friday. That's a joke, no? Don't get Prince Charming coming home and say, I said it's fine. Okay, listen. Let's check if we can do what I show you, okay? So the VAT amount, remember, this is given to us. So we're going to say, we're going to say this is now omitted, ne? Let original amount be X. Equal X. So if that is the case, I'm going to say X times 14 over 100 is equal to 0,14x. Not so. Then what we do? Do we add x to it? Not so. So 0,14x plus x is equal to 1,14x. Okay? Now what? Now we say 114 equals 1,14x. Do you see that? So how do I get x on its own? Divide by 1,14. So we'll put that in the calculator. Where are you going, Michael? Where are you going? We're done with your life, okay. Okay, you sorted now for the exam?
Yes, sir.
Let's see you tomorrow, eh? Go straight home after school. Okay, 100. You see, so that one actually works. Would you like to write it down? Right, so write it down. Good picture. Right, so I'm going to take a picture for the group. Don't type it. Hoe jere. Wat sê ek? Right. Okay. Yeah, that girlie put it in the group now. So she saved us some time. The girl. Right. Number 7. Yasmin earns extra money by Jasmine. Is this mean? Is this the same as Jasmine? Okay, now how do you write this mean?
Why?
Why? Jasmine. No. It's Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine earned. Okay, relax your bones. Jasmine earned extra money by handing out pamphlets at the traffic lights. Okay, so it's actually Jasmine that's busy with all the stuff. Stop you by the traffic lights. She receives a basic salary of 45 Rand per day plus 20 cents commission for each pamphlet she hands out. That means she's going to make more money of the handing out the pamphlets. Over 3 days she hands out the following number of pamphlets. 200, 356 and 410. Okay, so it's 7.1. How much commission has Jasmine earned over the 3 days? So firstly I need to work out how many pamphlets she had handed out. Not so. So the total number of pamphlets is going to be 220 plus 356 plus 410. So the total number of pamphlets that she handed out, she got better over the days, no?
Yes.
So these numbers are increasing, as you can see. 986 pamphlets in total that she handed out. So the total commission is going to be 986 multiplied by 20 over 100. Why 20 over 100? Because it's cents. Or I could have said 0.2. So it's going to be multiplied by, gives us 197 rand and 50 cents. Or 20 cents. Right? Sound like Gabby did the work this time around? Nice. You always did. Huh? Or you all did. Or you all did it in the previous period. Okay, nice.
No, yesterday.
Okay, nice. It looks like you guys are going to do well this term. Do not repeat the cycle test mark.
Yes.
It was bad. Okay, I was crying all weekend when I was marking. Huh? The same. Right. People 7.2. How much did she earn altogether? Total earnings. This is going to be the basic plus your commission. Basic plus your commission. Which is the basic is earning 45 rand per day. How many days is that? 3 days. So it's 3 times 45 rand plus 197.20. Yes, Jessica, it's just for handing out pamphlets. So you say 3 times. Don't give Jessica work to do. Jessica must concentrate on the maths. Okay, so it's going to give us 332 rand and 20 cents. Okay, some of you, when you go out with your friends, your mommy give you 500 rand. No?
No.
300. You say 300. You see now. Okay, relax. Okay. Next, okay, relax. The next question says 7.3. How many pamphlets must she hand out to earn at least 150 rand total per day? So she needs to end off with 150 rand. So the salary for the day is made up of, a basic plus commission. Not so? So she wants to end up with what? 150 rand. Equals, the basic is what? 45 rand. Plus, how do you work out the commission? If we let the number of pamphlets that you hand out be X, so this will be X times 20. There we go. Sorry? You guys understand? Move up, okay? So what do we do? First bring that down a little bit more. So what do we do now? We first, yes, take 45 over. So it's 150 minus 45 is 105. x times 0,2. Then what do I do? How do I get x on its own? Divide by 0,2 both sides. Not so? So x equal to 105 divided by 0.2. 525 pamphlets. Okay. It's a lot of pamphlets. Relax, why was this going like this? Okay, let's do the next one, number 8. Nummer 8. Okay, number 8 of worksheet 3H. Come people. It's another worksheet you would like to do today. Huh? It's another one of this. That's what I'm saying. Today another one. Fruit and Veg buys 460 watermelons at 8 rand each. Those were the days, no? They sell it to the public at 17 rand 90 cents per watermelon. 23 of the watermelons were overripe and were sold at a loss of 1 rand 30 cents each. Okay? So which means to say 8 rand minus this 1 rand 30, that is the what they were selling the ripe watermelons at. Okay, you know what is ripe, no? Yeah, it's ready to eat. So why do you think they would sell something like that at a cheaper price? The ones that are ready to eat, why would they sell it cheaper?
Because more people buy it.
No. If more people would buy it, then they would have kept it at that price.
Oh wait, because it gets fast quick.
Get puffed. The shelf life of the thing will. Yes, okay. So if you buy it, you must eat it today or tomorrow, otherwise you're going to be a loser on it, okay? So then it's going to be overripe. It's going to be puffed. She said you're going to make banana loaf for the watermelon. Come on now. What's wrong with you? Okay, relax. So here we go, listen. The total amount that the green grocer will receive if all the watermelons are sold. So the total amount, if all the watermelons are sold, the total is going to be, they sell the watermelons to the public at 17 rand and 90 cents. How many of it? It's going to be 460 minus 23. Not so 460 minus 23, 437. So it times 437. Plus, there's 23 watermelons sold at 8 rand minus 1 rand 13. Gives you 7 rand 70. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So 8 minus 1 rand 30, 6 rand 70. What did I say? 7 rand 70.
Yeah.
Sorry, 6 rand 70. Okay. So the total amount you will receive times by 23 plus 17 rand 90 times 437 gives us 7,976 rand and 40 cents. You guys understand? Next question, 8.2. The profit that the store makes on the watermelon. Profit is going to be your income minus your expenses. What's the income? 7,976 rand and 40 cents. Minus the expenses, what it cost. It's going to be 460 rand times 8. You bought it for 8 rand each. I'm going to work out that first. 7976,40 minus 460 times 8. It's going to give you 3,680. 3,680.